Hi everyone, welcome back to the Altenew YouTube channel. This is Maryám Pérez and I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy during this time. I am super excited to be back with a new video tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be working with the gorgeous All Things Orange stamp set that you can see here on the screen. The 6x8 stamp set features whimsical line art including mountains, butterflies, flowers, birds, also a round silhouette, plus 10 inspiring sentiments. There is also a coordinating die set available, which I don't have right now, but you can see it on the image here. I'm also going to be using the new Altenew A2 size watercolor paper set that comes with loose sheets, as well as some other things that you'll be seeing throughout the video. Alright, let's get started. I took one of the watercolor paper sheets and I started by applying some anti-static powder using the brush that comes with the tool to spread the powder equally. Next, I took the embossing ink and stamped the image twice, just to make sure I got it right, on my watercolor paper. Following up, I grabbed the antique gold crisp embossing powder and sprinkled it onto the paper, put the excess powder back into the jar, and with the help of my heat gun, I melt the powder. Since I wanted to create an orange, I needed to stamp the round silhouette over the previously stamped image, but it was going to cover some of the leaves, so in order to, let's say, protect the leaves from the ink, I stamped the leaves image again onto a post-it note and fussy cut it with my scissors to create a mask. Continuing with the process, I took some of my liquid watercolors and watercolor brush markers and grabbed the Autumn Blaze refill bottle and started coloring the image. To color the round silhouette part, I started by adding color in the border and then blending it to the center of the image with the help of my brush and by adding some water as well. Later on, I will also add some more colors in the border and the center to create shadows and highlights. Okay, now I'm going to leave you guys with some music and I'll be back soon. Alright, now that we have finished the coloring part, it is time to fussy cut our image. To do this, I use my precision scissors and my X-Acto knife for the more intricate parts. Okay, so out of camera, I repeated this process 4 more times, so I ended up having 5 oranges. I also stamped some butterflies, colored them with my watercolor brush markers, and added some glossy accents to create a glossy dimensional effect, and stamped 2 sentiments from the set as well. So the next part, as you can imagine already, was to put together all of the elements. I started by adding some washi tape on the left side. By the way, this is the Golden Strokes washi tape, to bring on some gold accents to the page. Next, I adhere the oranges using foam adhesive to give some more dimension. After that, I fastly got some little flowers from the 6x6 Reflection Collection paper pad. And as you can see, they had the same style as the All Things orange stamp set images, so they were a fun addition to the page. Next up, I added my photos, title on journaling, and finish up the page by adding some sequins. Okay, so that is it for today. Before this video ends, I want to mention that I have 2 more ideas using the All Things orange stamp set over at the Altenew mixed media blog. So make sure to visit the blog post to get even more inspiration, and as always, the link is down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you as soon as I can. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!